I tell you, I've seen a lot of things in my life, but I've never seen anything quite like this. I have never, I tell you. You know, there should be so many things to say because it's been so long since we saw each other. In fact, we never saw each other in this situation. In fact, I thought this would never happen. I think it's a wonderful moment. Thank you for turning up and giving us such an incredible, incredible welcome. Thank you. I would like to give something to every single one of you, and this is, in a way, a message from Freddie, I think, which we like to carry. And zaśpiewajmy. All right, you want to sing? Love of my life, you've hurt me, you've broken my heart, now you leave, love of my Fantastic. I was looking forward to that so much. Love of my life, don't leave me. You've stolen my love, you now desert me. Love of my life, can you
The heart